Okay, with that, let's move on because now we have to talk about commodities. A lot of action in that space as well. Manisha Gupta is joining us with all the update. Hey, Manisha, good morning.
Morning, Sonal. Thank you for that. Well, I'll start with the crude oil prices because last week we saw 3.5% of gains coming in. We were trading at a 4-month high, but there is slight decline in the crude oil prices as we start this week. One, because the dollar index is now trading at a 1-week highs. It also is about the U.S. Fed meeting in this week, 19th and 20th. All eyes would be on that. But even before that, you have the Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting that's happening on Tuesday, and then you also have UK, Australia, Turkey, Switzerland, all of them also holding their monetary policy meetings. There also is inflation data from UK, Canada, and Japan on radar, and the markets will watch out for Chinese industrial production, retail sales. So there's a whole host of monetary policy meetings and data due for this week, and that will keep markets quite choppy. I also want to speak about the gold prices, which is off its highs ahead of the U.S. Fed meeting. We've seen first weekly decline in 1 month, also because the dollar index is trading on the higher side. But the street is also looking at hotter than estimate U.S. inflation data, whether it's for CPI or PPI numbers. So the markets will keep an eye on that. And also the bets of June rate cut have now declined to 58% from 74% earlier. So all eyes clearly on the monetary policy for this week.
Oh, yes, absolutely. For the commodity, for the equity markets as well. That's the big event to watch out for. Thank you, Manisha, for joining us as always.